Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pesto cream sauce. We'll go through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to combining them into a rich, flavorful sauce. This guide will help you create a versatile and comforting dish that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to elevate your pasta nights with this simple yet impressive recipe. To begin our pesto cream sauce journey, let's focus on the heart of the dish, the pesto itself. You'll need about 3 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of quality extra virgin olive oil, and 1 cup of grated Romano or Parmesan cheese. Don't forget 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1/3 cup of toasted pine nuts for that authentic, rich taste. These fresh ingredients are key to a vibrant pesto. Now, let's create the luscious cream sauce that will perfectly complement our pesto. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Sauté 2 minced garlic cloves for about 1 minute until they become fragrant. Next, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer, ensuring it never boils. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. The final step is bringing these 2 delicious components together. Gently combine 1 cup of your freshly made pesto with the warm cream sauce in the skillet. Stir until the sauce is evenly blended and heated through, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, toss it with 1 pound of your favorite cooked pasta, adding a splash of pasta water if you desire a thinner consistency. Garnish with fresh basil and extra Parmesan cheese for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.